Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet application safely. First of all, download and install Trust Wallet application on your device and make sure to create a new wallet or restore your existing wallet. Also make sure that you fund your wallet. After you are done funding your wallet, from the main homepage of Trust Wallet, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top of the screen, and then from the Fund Your Wallet option, click on Buy Crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy from the drop-down menu right under your current fiat currency. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, select Bitcoin and then enter the amount you'd like to spend at the top of the screen. Also make sure to select your currency, and you will be able to see the amount of Bitcoin or any other crypto you are willing to purchase that you will receive with this payment. Once you are done, go to the card drop-down at the bottom and select your provider. Choose a payment methods that you want to go with. I'm going to choose the card option. After selecting your provider, click on Continue. Follow through the on-screen instructions. Confirm the fee details and provider. You will be asked to verify your details. Go ahead and sign in using your Google account or with your email and confirm your identity. Confirm your payment and wait for the asset to appear in your wallet, and you will then be able to buy a cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you can buy cryptocurrency in a relatively safe manner using Trust Wallet. The most important asset you have for your Trust Wallet is your seed phrases and private keys. So if they are lost or stolen, your funds could be completely gone. So make sure you have your seed phrases backed up to keep your account secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.